crawl and get your toys. Oh, big boy. Come on. Oh my goodness, you're doing it. Good job. Come get your toy. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come here. Let's come get it. Yeah. Lift those legs up. Come on, buddy. Good job. Good job. Oh my goodness. Come get it. Oh. Yay! Yeah! You got it, Miles. Miles. Hey, buddy. You got it. Yay, Miles. Yay. Yay. Miles, good job. You crawled from all the way over there to all the way over here for your little toy. Huh? Let's go this way. Let me see. Put it. Oh, it's over there. What are you gonna do? You gonna go get it? Let's go get it. Oh. Oh. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. I see you over there happy. Good job, Miles. Oh, wow. Look at those feet. Oh. Miles, I love your little toes. You think you're swimming? Huh? Do you think you're swimming? You almost got crawling down. Let's see. Can Mommy bring it over here? Hey, baby. Good job, baby. Oh. Oh. Here it comes. Here comes Miles. Wow. Wow. Good job, buddy. Here we go. Miles, good job. Hey. Hey, Miles. Woo! Are you playing piano? Oh, yes. Good job. Where are you going now? Do you want this one? That is so good, Miles. That's a very good job.